Just imagine that what if you know about a person a little bit more, that what kind of tonality, what kind of person he or she is. When it's come to business, when it's come to generating leads in B2B industry or getting job or getting a project, that's all required connections. And the better connection you can do, the better result you will get. So what if you can able to read someone's behavior on a digital platform? We all know that LinkedIn is one of the best platform when it's come to B2B marketing. What if you can able to connect with those people in their own tonality, the way they like? It will give you amazing result. It will make your work very easy. So in this video, I'm going to show you that tool which you can use on LinkedIn for knowing the behavior of your target clients, of your target prospect which you want to communicate. The better you communicate, the better chances are that you're going to finalize the deal, you're going to the result which you are looking for. This tool will help you to get the thing done in a very easy way. It will give you pre format which you can use for approaching them. So I hope you have understood that how important this tool can be if you are into B2B industry, or if you are looking for a job change or a student. This will help you to analyze the people's behavior on a digital platform like LinkedIn. So let's start the video and let me show you that what tool I'm talking about and how it's going to work and what are the things you have to keep in mind while using that tool. So let's start the video. So as you can see that you are into my computer screen. If you haven't connected me on LinkedIn, make sure you connect, because I share very valuable content on LinkedIn related to health and nutrition. And one more thing to notify you guys all, that recently have written a complete guide on how to lose weight, which is a 4-week plan, and you can follow. You can able to have a better workout plan, you can able to have a better meals plan. That's all is mentioned in that. So I will, this is the book I'm talking about. I will link in the description, or so you can download it and you can start following that. So let's start the video. So the software we're going to use is actually a Chrome extension which we have to install into our Chrome browser. So to get that extension, all we have to do, just open a new tab and type Crystal, Crystal, Crystal Chrome extension. Just click on this and you will find the very first link. You have to click on this link and you will come to here, and this is the Chrome extension which we have to install into our Chrome browser. As you can see, I have already installed into my browser, and you can check the number of user, you can scroll down, you can read about this Chrome extension, that what are the service you will get. They have the pro version. If you really want to upgrade your account, or if you find that this extension work good, you can upgrade your account. So as I have already installed, if you come to this page first time, you will find install button. So just click on the install and just create an account in this way, and you will ready to go with that. So let me take you to my LinkedIn profile and show you that how you're going to use this. So as you can see that I'm back to my LinkedIn profile. So once you successfully install and create an account in Crystally, you will find an option like this. So right now, as you can see that these things are just showing up, but when you come to the very first time, they will ask you to log in to this account, and now you are ready to go with that. So as you can see, I'm on my Instagram, a LinkedIn profile, and it giving me the details that what kind of my behavior is like. You can have a quick suggestion, call to actions, like you just click on this person icon and you will get all these details, like how anyone can approach me. It will give you what kind of person I am, like Daulat is a moderate, is likely to value genuine persons connection and may avoid collaboration. So even I got very shocked when I used this tool for the very first time, because it's telling me quite deep about my behaviors. Like you can scroll it down if you want to have any quick tips, like you can click here that how you want to approach me, like as a sales page, negotiate good and good, make a good impression. So there are tons of options, you can pick any of that, and it will give you suggestion as per that, keeping that in mind that my behaviors, my process, everything is involved. It will track everything and give you suggestion as per that. So if you're going to include all this, like they will give you a pre-message template that how should be your cold message which you're going to send me. So just imagine that if you use this tool, what kind of impact you can create on me. Like if you make it that personalized related to my behavior, then definitely I'm going to talk to you, I'm going to reply to your request or to your message which you have sent to me. And there are other tons of things you can do, like as you can see there are given bunch of options, just like one. So if you want to have a tips of that how you're going to approach me, what to do, what not to do. You will have that connections like here, what peoples are searching. You can search the comparison person, like what is their comparison with my behavior, the messages, everything. These are the pro feature which you can include. They give you some of the idea hint that how you're going to add the subject or body, what kind of call to action you have to use. So it's pretty much good. Even it's I said that it is one of the best Chrome extension for the LinkedIn if you want to sell cold messages, because if you use this, you pretty much know everything about the person related to his behavior, the kind of person is, and you can able to make more personalized. And that way definitely I'm going to contact and approach you if you follow all this. So it's create a very good impact in preparing your messages. So just imagine that this tool is going to be very effective. It's absolutely free. Like if you install one time, it will give you 20 free trials. After that they will charge you very little money. If you think that you need to upgrade, you can go with that. But I will tell you a hack that what you have to do, simply change your email ID and you will get another 20 days trial. So this is how I'm using without spending any money. You can use that. So I must tell you that if you want to get connect with anyone on LinkedIn and want to send cold message on LinkedIn, you must use this Chrome extension, and it will help you to give you amazing result. You can able to add a particular call to actions. You're going to add better subject tagline as per their liking, better text in the body. So this will help you to make it more personalized and help you to grow your audience and get more leads and clients if you are into B2B industry. So I hope you have liked this video. If you really have anything to know, write down in the comment section. I'd love to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like hit